The Diamond Black is a 14.75-inch hybrid mattress made of memory foam, polyfoam, and a pocketed coil base. The Diamond Black is available in 3 firmness levels: plush, medium, and firm. We tested the medium version and found it had a medium firm feel. That's a 6 out of 10 on our firmness scale, where 10 is the most firm. This mattress has deep sinkage and low levels of bounce. It has a bounce contour as well, which is good for sleepers who don't want too much hug. In our performance test, this mattress earned an overall score of 8.83, ranking the mattress in the top 34% among all mattresses tested to date. The Diamond Black is $29.99 for a queen size, which is 2x more expensive than the average hybrid we've tested. For reference, the average hybrid we've tested is $15.09 for a queen. And next, we're going to talk through what the Diamond Black does best. First, the mattress has excellent cooling. The hybrid design helps with breathability, and the cooling cover creates a notable cooling feel. Second, the Diamond Black has low levels of motion transfer. The many layers of material work to dissipate energy from one side to the other, which makes this a good choice for those who share a bed. Third, those many layers total 6 inches of comfort material that make for exceptionally good pressure relief. Beyond sheer thickness, the layering of its plush pillow top, dense memory foam, and transitional polyfoam create a nuanced feel that reflects its premium price tag. However, not all mattresses are ideal for all sleepers. Let's talk through the important consideration points for the Diamond Black. First, the mattress has a fairly long off-gassing duration, which means you may not want to use it for the first few nights right after unboxing. In our test, the mattress took 14 days for the strong smells to fully dissipate. Second, sex performance was worse than average. This mattress has notably less bounce than average, and that lower level of bounce makes this mattress more strenuous and tiring for amorous activities. Lastly, Diamond has a shorter trial period of just 90 days, which is notably less than the average. Furthermore, returns come with a $99 fee. Neither of those policies are good to see. Your body weight and sleeping position impact the types of mattress that are best able to support you. Our analysis is designed to help match the correct mattress to the right body types and sleeping positions. Support on the Diamond Black is outstanding. During our test, I felt well supported in all sleeping positions. The mattress is equipped with an 8.75-inch support layer. This is 0.79 inches thicker than the average support layer thickness of 7.96 inches based on all of our tests to date. For a mattress to create ideal support, it needs to both create a neutral spinal alignment and sufficient comfort. Diamond Black meets both of these requirements with ease. This mattress is available in 3 firmness levels, including plush, medium, and firm. We tested the medium version and found it has a medium firm feel, 6 out of 10 on our firmness scale. The medium version is going to be the best choice for the vast majority of sleepers. That being said, it's helpful that other firmness levels and cover types are offered. In all mattress tests, we make it a point to cut the mattress open to examine the material quality. As part of these assessments, we use a densimeter to measure foam density and a digital caliper to measure coil thickness. The 2-inch thick memory foam layer measured in at a density of 3.66 PCF, which is excellent. Denser foams are typically higher quality, perform better, and last longer. The density of the other polyfoam layers was less impressive, ranging from 1.23 to 1.54 PCF. That's far from ideal. The coil thickness measured at 14.5 gauge, which is on the thicker side. The lower density polyfoams do make me a bit worried for longevity, but some of these fears are abated by the thicker wire gauge and 3.66 PCF memory foam layer. Moving on, this mattress does not use zone support. Instead, we have a consistent firmness from the head to the foot. Based on all my tests to date, an analysis of the materials, and my subjective experiences, I'm confident that most sleepers will find the Diamond Black support to be outstanding. So, should you buy the Diamond Black? I think this mattress more than earns its spot in the luxury price tier. It may not have the best overall performance score we've ever seen, but it's not uncommon for ultra-thick luxury models to struggle when it comes to sex and off-gassing. While it's not perfect performance, it excels where it counts, including pressure relief, low motion, and cooling. In addition, its various layers of material provide a deep, satisfying contouring hug while being balanced out by a transition to the robust and supportive coil unit. Among these material layers are various cooling design elements to offset a common problem with many thick mattresses: heat retention. Based on our testing experience, it earned an excellent score for cooling, though it wasn't quite perfect. I do also appreciate the 3 firmness levels that give sleepers more options over their preferred feel between soft, medium, firm, and firm. Overall, the Diamond Black does a lot of things right to justify its $3,000 price tag. If you're shopping for a mattress in this price range, I think it's an option to consider. Like the idea of a thicker hybrid mattress but need something less expensive? Take a look at our review of the Helix Midnight Luxe here.